Hey there, good morning. Thanks for tuning into this month's market update. Nice to see you in the new year. So, if you've been thinking about getting a house lately, or maybe on the fence, considering jumping into the market to get a house at some point in the near future, then on today's video, you're probably not going to hear what you want to hear, but it's something you need to hear if you're seriously considering getting a home at some point in the near future. And that is that multiple offers are back. Yes, I know it sounds crazy with rates being high and home prices still being elevated. The reality is there are just too few homes available compared to buyers, people wanting to buy a house or needing to buy a house. So due to that, we are seeing homes sell with multiple offers again. Now, that's not to say every home on the market is flying off the shelf with multiple offers like we saw a couple years ago during COVID. I'm still seeing many homes sit on the market for months and not sell at all, and listings just end up expiring. That's going to be largely due to an inexperienced agent and a lack of expertise. However, an agent that truly knows what they're doing is still going to be able to leverage current market conditions to get their sellers the best results. Now, what my point is of all this is if you've been considering getting a home at some point this year and waiting for some huge downturn in the market, that may not be you, but might be somebody you know. Probability is saying we're probably not going to see that, at least not anytime this year, until more supply comes online. And there's no data that's indicating we're going to see any surplus of inventory come into the market to balance out that supply and demand issue. So if it's something you've been considering doing this year, there's a good chance that this is the new norm. This is the new reality in the market, where we've got interest rates for 30-year fixed conventional floating around 6%. We might see that decrease a little bit as the year progresses, but as of right now, that's where we're at. And it seems like buyers are becoming more accepting of that and willing to transact more than they were just 2, 3, 4 months ago. So again, if it's something you've been considering, let's have a conversation. Let's take a look in detail and see if that's a good move for you or not. And if it is, at least you've got that clarity to move forward now. And if it's not, then you can wait and start preparing for a better time in the future. I'm here if you got any questions, need anything, let me know. We'll talk to you soon.